Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot, so sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up button. On the YouTube platform, this is very important for creators like myself. If you have been enjoying my content, it is important when you come in and I start my videos that you immediately go in to press that button, and you will see the thumbs up go up, as well as it will turn blue, which means it's registered. So what you're doing by doing that is you're telling YouTube that you're enjoying my content, and then you are asking them to give me a shout out. So by them doing that, they will then put my videos in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they do enjoy this type of content. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that thumbs up because it means a lot. So thank you. Okay, today I'm really excited because I kind of knew this was coming, but I didn't know when, and then the tracking stopped, and then all of a sudden when we went to our mailbox, we picked this up, and I love that on the weekends we get the opportunity to get something in the mailbox. I think it's a real treat. So this is the IPSY, but if you've been watching, you know that I've already, what did I do yet? I think the Plus. I still am waiting for the Ultimate. That one has not moved. I'm happy with the the bag that I got today, because this was a recent purchase that I did on the IPSY platform. And you know what it is? It's the mystery bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is the bag that came in the mystery bag. It is completely different than all the bags that were going to be in the month of September, but it's that same material, but the coloring is stunning and it's completely different. So we have this color on this side and then a lighter shade on here. It has that snap closure, and again, it's fully lined with the IPSY logo on the inside. And this is a really nice size bag, and it has the little decal on the outside here that says IPSY on it down here too. So really happy that everything came in this bag, but there was something outside the bag, and one of the items that was outside the bag was a full-size brush. The mystery bag, if you're not familiar, it's found in the shoppers section, and they don't have it every month. I don't think they had one last month, but lately when I think I've maybe received one or two. I think this might be my third, and I am ecstatic. I open everything up, if you aren't familiar with my channel, prior to, so we could take pictures for Instagram, and I make sure everything that should be in the bag isn't broken or any issues, and then I kind of take my sneak peek. But as you know, with mystery bags, there is no card, and there's no information on the products ahead of time because I'm really not sure what's going to be in the bag. But what they tell you under the information for the mystery bag is they say it's a limited edition Cozy Up mystery bag. They're saying inside here should be a $64 value, and I paid $14 for this, and that included this little bag that it came in. And then about the products, they're saying simply snuggle into a new season by discovering new ways to pamper yourself or getting a jump start on your fall looks. This vintage inspired bag has everything you need. Each limited edition mystery bag will include 5 surprise products from our spring assortment, and your mystery bag may contain products from these Ipster favorite brands. And what they listed here was Tarte, First Aid Beauty, Pacifica, Kensie, Ofra, and H2O Beauty. And of all of these, I think I got 3 of those brands. And one of them that's full size, I am over the moon about. Okay, here we go. So like we started, the first one was a Luxie brush. It's in this gorgeous ombre type here. It is a flat shader brush, and I am happier than happy that this was in the bag. So that was the first item that I saw. The second one that I saw is from IPSY, and the City Limits is a palette. When I got introduced to IPSY, it was through the $3 section on IPSY. and I absolutely fell in love with their formula and their powders. So it was a nice way for me to know that if an IPSY palette was going to be a choice in a future or in an add-on, I would know that it would be something I would want to purchase. I got very lucky that in one of my boxes, and I'm pretty sure it was The Box by Fashion Stuff, but I'm not sure. It could have been an IPSY. I got the full City Limits palette, and it is beautiful from IPSY. So if you're looking for a good palette, the IPSY City Limits is definitely one of them. But what we got today was one single shadow in here, and this one, I think it's called, it says it's the Lush Eyeshadow, and it's in Fire and Ice. And this color is so unique. It looks like a gray tone in here, but when you swatch it, you're gonna see, do you see this? It has like multi-dimensional colors in here. So I'm gonna just do a quick swatch on my hand, and I'll see if the light can catch it or if the finger catches it better, whichever way, but I'm telling you, it is the coolest color because however the light catches it, that's what the color becomes. So really, really happy that that was an item in the box. The next item is one that I've got to try. I have a small sample of this already, and this is from the Hydration Oasis Nourishing Gel Cream. It is from this brand called H2O+. And I've been reading up on this brand, and it's really, really a good brand. And this comes completely sealed with a safety seal. And this is what the product looks like here. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand so you can see. It has a bit of a marine blue tint to it. Do you see that? And then when you place it on, it simply your skin absorbs it. So it's more like a gel type of moisturization, which is something I love as a combo girl. This is what I always look for. So really, really happy to get that. The next item is one that is also a total winner. So if you haven't had the chance to, I got lucky, I got the perfume sample of this, and I think I got the hand treatment of this. This is this brand called Kensi, and this is actually a manufacturer of clothing that's now getting into this type of product, which is the lotions, and the scent of this is really, really beautiful. Also has a seal on it, so give me a sec. And that's what it looks like here, and we're gonna put a little bit on here. Yeah, the scent of it is, it's a really refreshing scent, but it does have a perfume undertone to it. But it's just, it's the type that when someone gets close to you, you just like that smell, you know what I mean? Like that aroma, that it's like, oh, they smell nice, but it's not overpowering. Really, really, it's light, but it's really, and it's modern. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just beautiful. Really, really pretty. So happy that was in there. And then, I couldn't believe it, a full size of the ULTA highlighter. ULTA to me makes some of the best highlighters, and I have been so lucky on IPSY that the ones that I'm getting are not ones that I already own. So the Rodeo Drive is a standard that's been sitting on my counter for the longest time, and it takes forever to get through these. So it's really just choosing the different colors of this because they do last. So whatever investment you're making in these, which when it comes in a mystery bag is really nothing, it's an absolute win. So this one is called, and I just got one in another bag that I think was the one called Donut Glaze. This one is called Glow Goals, and it's one that I don't own. And I just received another one that's it's the one I think that Nikki Tutorials did that had 3 different components in here. It was like a try in here. This one is one, like I said, I don't own, and it looks like it's a rose gold. Look at this color. It is beyond stunning. And I'm gonna try to do it where I don't already have something. So give me 1 sec. I'm gonna wipe my finger and just do it again because I just put it over the body lotion. Here we go, right there. Is that not beyond? So when the mystery bags come up, sometimes you don't get lucky. For someone like myself, that I get all 3 bags in, you know, from them. I get the $12 bag, the $25, as well as the $50. So the mystery bag, if it's going to have some items in there, and I do buy on the add-ons and, you know, the flash sales and all that. So the fact that there's some items in here are ones that are brand new to me. This is more than worth the $14. Plus, it comes in the little bag. So if you can, the mystery bag to me, and especially if you don't get a lot of the products, I think this bag is an absolute win. So I got a full-size brush. I got the body lotion from Kenzie. I got the Ofra highlighter. I also got this H2O nourishing gel cream, as well as this Fire and Ice from IPSY from their, if you have their palette from City Lights, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, this is a really, really unique color. So once again, as you know, I always try to share with you when I have something that I think is something that would interest you at a phenomenal price. $14 shipped to my door, you know, no extra anything, just $14. And it came, like I said, with that bag and in the mailbox on a weekend. So it was an absolute win-win. So wanted to get this video quickly up to you guys because it is still available, and I want to make sure that if this is something that interests you, like I said, it's a mystery bag. So it could be 5 different products. It might be different ones that I've showed you, but those were the brands they said that should have been in here, and 3 out of the 5 were in this bag. So I think we did great. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But always during this time, it is so important that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well, so we can enjoy all this. And I will see you all in my next video. Always check, in my description box, because I do have a couple of giveaways that are still going on. The videos are there, so they're linked down below. I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. So if you haven't seen those, I will link those videos down below for you as well. All right, take care, and bye-bye for now.